Good evening, everyone. For the following classes, I will share some fascinating facts with you. And so the facts are about constellations. Before we start, let's review what we learned about the universe. The space is everything above the Earth's atmosphere. The universe is too big for our minds to grasp. So it will be better if we think of Earth have an address in the universe. The Earth is in our solar system. 8 planets orbit around the Sun in our solar systems, and the Sun is the only star in our solar system. During the daytime, the Sun is too bright so that we cannot see all the stars, but at night, many other stars can be seen. The solar system is in the city of stars, a galaxy. Our galaxy is the Milky Way. It contains at least 100 billion stars. In fact, the solar system circles the galaxy. It takes 230 million years to orbit one way around the center of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is in a cluster of more than 30 galaxies. It's called the Local Group. This group contains the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is a great princess in the ancient myths. Her mother thinks Andromeda was prettier than Poseidon's daughters. That made the sea god very angry. Princess Andromeda had to sacrifice to save her mother's land. Finally, a hero saved her and they got married. The local group is just a small part of the bigger galaxy, the Virgo supercluster. It contains more than 2,000 galaxies. The universe is everything we can and cannot see in the universe. Then let's talk about the constellations. There are too many stars on the skies, so the ancient people used them to tell the time. For example, the ancient Egyptians eagerly waited for certain stars to appear. Once it did, that means the flow of the Nile River was about to start. When the flow receded, that means the soil becomes fertile and it's good for the plants to grow. There were no accurate maps either. The ancient Greeks noticed that one star always appeared in the same place. We call it the North Star or the Polaris. The sailors use it as a guide to help them figure out which direction they are heading. It's very hard to find a star among many. So, ancient people drew imaginary lines from star to star that formed a picture. That's what we call the constellations. And the pictures are easier to spot than just one star. Each picture was given a name and a story. The certain constellations have different names in different places. Like this, in North America, they call this group of the 7 stars the Big Dipper. In England, people call it the Big Floats. In Germany, people there call it the Great Card. All the academic studies about space are called astronomy. Scientists already knew a lot about how stars are formed and how long they can live. Yet, despite we already knew a lot about these, everyone else still look to the sky with the same sense of wonder. Thank you for listening. That's all about today.